Many of our clients are concerned about what would happen if a cabinet is damaged during transportation. Would it delay the project because you need to wait until another cabinet is manufactured, shipped, and installed? The short answer to this question is no. In order to better understand why, it's important to understand the following cabinets are made out of three components. 1. The box or carcass. 2. The front or door. And 3. The hardware. If a box is damaged, we can usually fix that during installation using carcass materials we have in stock. If a front is damaged, we would usually touch it up so that your kitchen does not remain without a front. If the repair is satisfactory, we can stay with it, or if not, then we would order a new front and will replace the damaged one when it arrives. If hardware is damaged, we can either use our local stock, or if the situation is urgent, we can air freight the hardware to avoid delays. In any case, damage should not delay the completion of a kitchen project. Please keep in mind that only base cabinets, which may delay the fabrication and installation of your countertops, are more urgent to install. Tall cabinets, wall cabinets, and panels can usually be installed later. Most important, as always, is not to worry.